Guess who's back? Welcome back to Prop Talk, the voter companion show for Nouns DAO. Here to give you the TLDR for every prop because we know governance can be time-consuming. A special thanks to houseofnouns.wtf for being the best place to vote and discuss, and the Noun Square for keeping this content coming. So hit that subscribe button and smash like if you're as noun-pilled as we are. Prop 250, Nouns NIMS, proposed by Persona Labs. The TLDR, this proposal will expand on Hey Noun's success in building anonymous on-chain commenting for nouns into an entire pseudonymous identities and discussion threads. It will create a Reddit-style discussion board with persistent on-chain pseudonymous and anonymous discussions. For the first time, users will be able to reply to messages, build discussion trees, and distinguish their anonymous identities by building up a reputation along the way. Persona Labs will offer open source APIs to integrate anywhere. The budget for this proposal is $160,000, which will fund a team of 3 to 4 developers to build out all deliverables over the next 6 months. This proposal is by Persona Labs, which is leading the way for on-chain pseudonymity on Ethereum. They previously launched HeyAnoun, which lets nouns holders comment anonymously on proposals and has proved to be a place where discussion happens. The team uses cutting-edge technology such as zero-knowledge proofs to enhance anonymous interactions within nouns. The team plans to build this new platform for nouns with the ability for tools to expand to other DAOs. The community sentiment seems to be a mixed bag. While there are some nouns who are concerned with anonymous commenting and how that could be harmful, there are still many who support the anonymous infrastructure in nouns. Will Price said in the Jungle Discord, $160K seems cheap. Love to see proposals where we subsidize things we want without paying 100% of the cost. I think HeyAnoun in its current form is net positive. Ape Noun said, I think this is a valuable tech infrastructure that we'd be supporting to build out. The ask feels reasonable. Anon discourse is important for the ecosystem. I'm with it. El Sanker, one of the founders of Persona Labs, says, our goal is definitely to work towards positive discourse. I do believe that pseudonymity is important in discourse, and in a sense, we're trying to thread the needle to find how to make it work. The voting is currently open, but it will close at 4 a.m. this coming Saturday. Proposal number 251, Showcase Nouns 3D Printed Fashion Collection at NFT NYC, proposed by Danit 3D. The TLDR. This proposal is to display Nouns 3D printed fashion from props 26 and 41 at NFT NYC in a 100 square foot booth, including an 11 by 8 foot LED wall. The team will have the pieces displayed on mannequins as well as an AR Instagram filter for each look. The proposal follows a successful debut of the Nouns 3D fashion at NFT Paris last month, where 18,000 people attended. The goal is to expose Nouns to a new audience and get more press coverage following the coverage from Vogue, Decrypto, NFT Now, and more. As for the budget, the cost to create the collection has already been funded with the previous proposals. The cost for this activation, however, is $51,720. $21,520 will go to Danit, including $12,000 in compensation. $30,200 will be used for operations to pay NFT NYC and vendors. The sponsorship fee for NFT NYC is $10,000. The proposal is from Danit, who has led the creation and proliferation of the Nouns 3D fashion line. She's worked with Nounish to create content around previous activations and brings the exhibit to life. The community sentiment on this is mega supportive. SQ said in the Jungle Discord, the visuals and creations are stunning. An NYC presence is warranted. A voter in Nouncil said Danit has been doing some amazing work, and her presentation in Paris was one of the highlights of the show. Let's do this again in NY. In this case, it seems like the little feedback is a good thing. We'll find out when voting opens up today around 1 p.m., Tuesday, March 21st. Proposal number 252, Nouns Fine Jewelry, proposed by State Property, supported by Haymint. The TLDR, this proposal is to create luxury fine jewelry collection called NFJ in collaboration with State Property and Haymint. The collection will consist of Nouns-inspired one-of-one pieces of jewelry sold through daily auctions, with all proceeds returning to the Nouns treasury. The project will be Nouns' first introduction into the fine jewelry market. In addition to designing and crafting the pieces, the project includes an exhibition, a media event, daily auctions, and post-event activations. The pieces will be made in 18-karat gold and feature gemstones. As for the budget, the total ask is $188,150 plus an additional 0.69 ETH. The auction is expected to return roughly $100,000. The daily timed auctions will get kicked off with an exhibit at State Property's Atelier in Singapore. $78,850 of the budget will be used for jewelry manufacturing. They expect the auctions to close in profit. The design will cost $27,100 and guarantees that the design on these pieces will not be used anywhere else. But who is this? Well, there are 3 people behind the operation, which in total will be compensated about $40,000. First is Han, the project lead and main coordinator. Han is a community lead in CloneX Singapore and has put on several IRL events for the NFT community in Singapore. He has a close relationship with State Property and Haymint. Carl is the second member of the team and is the lead behind Nouns in Singapore. The proposal says he's been able to onboard many brands and builders into Nouns. Carl will be in charge of the strategy to ensure the project stays in alignment with the Nouns ethos. And lastly, Haymint, a team of creatives and developers who aim to build the best free tools available as to help make Web3 mainstream. As for the community sentiment, there wasn't a temp check on this proposal. SQ said in the Jungle Discord, unsure there's a demand for this product at this level. Most voters in Nouncil have voted against. One voter stated the designs weren't exciting to me. If the DAO puts that much into jewelry, it should really pop. Bimbody said in Nouncil, I think the main concern is that the potential buyers in this ecosystem is a small number, and I wonder how attractive these pieces are. Voting opens up this afternoon, Tuesday, March 21st. So, go vote. Proposal 253, Nouns Hack Week, proposed by Explorer Grants. The TLDR, this proposal is for a community-run, one-week online event for the Nouns community to engage, explore new ideas, and attract new contributors for ETH prizes. All 99 ETH from this proposal will be distributed through Prop House rounds, with no funding for the organizing team. The prize tracks, where winners will be decided via Prop House, included mobile app, a developer open round, art, media, and content, and IRL events. There will also be 4 grand prizes of 6 ETH for new contributors and current contributors. The budget, like we stated, is 99 ETH, all distributed via Prop House rounds. The largest chunk of that, 30 ETH, will be used for the mobile app Prop House round. Next is 15 ETH for the dev open round. It's noted in the proposal that the prize distribution can be adjusted based on the community discussion. Regardless, all participants should have a solid MVP to win the prizes. This proposal comes from Explorer Grants, which was created by Martin, Jihad, and Dot. Explorer Grants Prop 178 funded 5 builders with 10 ETH each for 2 months of part-time exploration. The community sentiment on this has been generally positive, with a few points of feedback for the proposer. First, in the Jungle Discord, Will Price suggests that the category should be decided via Prop House. I am in the position of wanting to vote for a proposal in this vein, but disliking the current prize breakdown. We'll vote no until this changes. Nounder Seneca suggests on Twitter, more art stuff, animations, storytelling, games, I don't know, push for at least 50-50. Tranquille suggests funding writing and research. However, it is noted that in the proposal, the categories and prizes can be tweaked. In the Nouncil Discord, where yes is currently the winning vote, one against vote said that they'd like to see more marketing spend added to the budget. The voting on this will start today, Tuesday, March 21st, around 5 p.m. So, go vote. And finally, Prop 253 94, the Nouns Deli Melbourne, piloting a Nounish franchise model, proposed by Noun 12 with support from 87 Bones. The TLDR? This proposal is to rebrand a profitable deli in Melbourne, Australia to the first permanent Nouns restaurant, Nouns Deli. The goal is to create a scalable, fee-less franchise model that aligns with the Nouns CC0 philosophy and develops an app for customer loyalty. The existing restaurant, Stan's Deli, will be completely Nounified by adding custom fixtures and designs for proliferation. The team behind the proposal has experience in the industry and operates several successful businesses. Additionally, recipes, package design, and branding assets for the deli will be all CC0, free to use by anyone. The team also proposes a franchise model when the brand is ready, with no fee for the franchisees. So what about the budget? The cost is $202,000 USD, split into 3 payments. $109,000 of the budget will be used to completely overhaul the shop to give it a Nounish look. The restaurant will also be closed for about 2 months during this time. Notably, included in the budget is a branded asset design and a 12-month marketing campaign, including paid campaigns and PR. Hopefully, this will help proliferate Nouns Deli beyond the single physical location. As for those behind this proposal, it's a group of experts in the hospitality and retail industry. They operate 10 retail spaces, 3 beverage brands, and have over 40 years of combined experience in the industry, including earning the equivalent of a Michelin star. 87 Bones is the current owner of Stan's Deli and is a Noun holder. Goldie, the creator of Nounish, and Jarman, another Nouner, will join the team in Nouns advisory roles, focusing on PR, education, and content. The team has the expertise to create a successful business and plan to use their skill set to proliferate Nouns first and foremost. As for the community sentiment, they've been generally positive about what is a novel idea on many levels for Nouns. One voter in Nounsel said, "This is worthwhile experiment and something many have talked about doing. This will also open up opportunities for other builders to engage with art, design, product, and proliferating a repeatable model." Joel Cares in support said in the Jungle Discord, "Best case scenario, the location becomes a cult hit. High quality food, good culture. Worst case, the service and food are so poor it hurts Nouns brand. In general, though, if rebranding existing businesses works, it could be a repeatable approach to proliferating Nouns." Beetle showed support and said in the Jungle Discord, "I love this idea because it's so novel and it sounds good conceptually." The voting will open today, Tuesday, March 21st, around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure that you go vote. That's it for this week's episode of Prop Talk. Again, thanks so much to the Noun Square for keeping this content alive. And also, if you want to vote and discuss, make sure you go to houseofnouns.wtf. We'll see you next time. Stay Nounish.